If you or your partner snores at night, yes, it might seem like a nuisance, but did you know that it might be bad for your health? Although snoring is often seen as harmless, it can indicate some underlying health issues. Snoring can disrupt your sleep patterns, leading to fatigue, irritability, and even accidents due to daytime drowsiness. It can also restrict oxygen flow, potentially causing strain on your heart and other vital organs. Snoring could also be a sign of a serious yet common condition called sleep apnea, where you momentarily stop breathing while you sleep, and this can increase the risk of heart problems, strokes, and other health conditions. So if you or a loved one suffers from chronic snoring, reach out to a healthcare provider for advice and possible solutions. You might require a sleep study.